Student Achievement and Leadership Breakfast is an annual event to honor the academic leadership and extracurricular contributions of outstanding seniors in each of the daytime undergraduate programs offered at USG. These students have demonstrated academic excellence, strong leadership qualities, and dedication to student life during their time at USG. We are proud to celebrate these stars and their many exceptional accomplishments today. To learn more about them and their student experience, let's hear what they have to say.
My name is Kara Ammon. I came from Montgomery College to the University of Maryland University College. My major is Human Resources Management and my GPA is 3.8.
My name is Elena Simon. I transferred from Montgomery College to USG. I am at the University of Maryland Eastern Shore and my major is Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have a 4.0 GPA.
My name is Afiu Hughes. I'm originally from Ghana, West Africa. I transferred from Frederick Community College to University of Baltimore, the Health System Management Program.
My name is Melissa Murray Curtis, and I currently attend Towson University, the Elementary Education / Special Education program.
My name is Diana Gromowski. I am originally from Ecuador, moved to the U.S. about 6 years ago. I went to Northern Virginia Community College.
My name is Valerie Truplan. I transferred from Montgomery College. I am now in the Early Childhood Education program for Towson University, and my GPA is 3.9.
My name is Kim Kassenbon. I'm with UMBC Psychology program. Right now my GPA is 3.86 and I transferred from Montgomery College in 2012.
Hi, I'm Zeus Alexander Williams. I'm a student at University of Maryland University College, Shady Grove. I'm a biotechnology major. I transferred from Montgomery College.
My name is Jessica Roberts. I started with I went to MCPS all 12 years of school. After that, I went to Montgomery College, and then I transferred here to USG, which I am in the Early Childhood Education program.
My name is Gordon Han. I'm currently a nursing student at the University of Maryland School of Nursing. I transferred from University of Maryland, Baltimore County. My current GPA is 3.8, and I grew up in Rockville.
I was lucky enough to receive 3 scholarships through USG, one with Kaiser Permanente, the other one was the Battner Scholarship, and the third was the American Association of University Women.
Been privileged also to become a part of certain honor societies, Phi Kappa Phi, Phi Theta Kappa, Golden Key International Honor Society.
The many schools that are represented here, and you get to know a little bit about every school, and you get to know students from every major.
After I started GSS, a student, after about halfway through the semester, came up to me and said thank you. If it wasn't for you, I don't believe I would have made it this far.
I've had the opportunity to participate in a lot of different student organizations. They include Trips Without Borders, which is our biological sciences club here at USG, the Student Ambassador Program, the American Red Cross Club, and also Student Council.
I've been lucky enough to receive the GI Bill, as well as the Capital One Scholarship and federal Pell Grants. It's really helped me be able to focus on my school.
I was fortunate enough to receive the Kendall Scholarship, which is a full tuition scholarship that has been, provided me with my classes and all my needs for the program.
So I was a part of UMANS, the Maryland Nursing Student Association here at Shady Grove. I was also a guided study session leader for the pathopharmacology course, and then I was a tutor for adult health.
I'm very grateful that I was able to receive several scholarships. 2 of them are the scholarship from the Associated Builders and Contractors of Metro Washington area, and also the Canon Design Scholarship.
I'm the current president of the MDAYC chapter here at USG with Towson. I am a member of Chi Sigma, which is an honor society, and I'm also a member of Kappa Delta Pi.
One thing I really like about USG is how adamant they are about helping their students. Even though there's 9 different colleges here, it feels like one big family.
I interned at Lead for Life, which is a diversion program for first-time juvenile misdemeanor offenders.
So I did case management there and interpretations for Spanish-speaking parents.
So I currently intern at the Training Source, which is a nonprofit organization in Seat Pleasant, and that helps people that are unemployed and underemployed citizens.
My internship with the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission has been very fulfilling. I am a co-op student in the Human Resources Department.
I'm doing my internship at Johns Hopkins Hospital Cardiovascular Progressive Care Unit.
I am currently interning at Kaiser Permanente in the Mid-Atlantic States Regional Office, where I'm working in the Health Education Department.
I interned at Congressman Van Hollen's district office as a congressional intern, and I helped the staff deal with constituent-related affairs.
I had the opportunity to work with Chesapeake Bay Roasting Company. Learn a lot about, I guess, small business and especially marketing.
I'm student teaching at Matsunaga Elementary School in Germantown, Maryland. I also partner with, for MDAWC, we partner with Ronald McNair to do a summer jumpstart program.
I've had an amazing internship here at the Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology Research right next door. And we do research on Alzheimer's disease and melanoma.
Working full-time and then going to school full-time is very challenging, especially if you have to cut back and go part-time in order to pursue your academic goals.
I came to US in 2000. I was born and raised in a country that was engulfed in a civil war for the last 30 years. And once I came here, I had a lot of financial difficulties, especially because my father got sick and then he passed away.
Before I started college, I unfortunately sustained a brain injury, and that was the biggest obstacle that I've ever faced, not just in college, but in life.
I was not a good student, so I had a fairly low GPA and just lacked a lot of motivation. And then I decided that I would finally learn Spanish. It was sort of a lifelong goal. And so I sold my car and went to Ecuador for 7 months and took a semester off and took one-on-one Spanish classes, lived with a family there. And just really, it occurred to me down there just the need for education, just by seeing how little education there can be at times in different areas.
Was hospitalized between my first and second semester of nursing school for a pulmonary embolism, which is a pretty serious condition. So I got kind of a taste of what it's like to be in the hospital and be a patient, and then also the recovery process.
My learning disabilities that I've struggled with my entire life, hearing impairment, I'm moderately deaf in both ears, and also I've had to work full-time.
My main challenge to overcome has been a learning disability that I've had since I was a child. I am a dyslexic. I've been diagnosed and re-diagnosed multiple times with severe dyslexia, and it has made it very difficult as far as schooling since the time I was in elementary school.
I was a high school dropout. I withdrew shortly after my junior year. However, I did apply to the Gateway to College program at Montgomery College, which was a dual enrollment program. So I was basically earning those high school credits that I had lost through college credits. It took me 2 years to earn my high school diploma, and then 2 more years to graduate with my associates in life sciences at MC. And I transferred here, and I've been successful ever since.
After graduation, I hope to become a human resource specialist for the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission, where I currently work.
I am going to work for a year in the U.S. I'm going to apply for the optional practical training program at either a Marriott or Hilton.
After graduation, I intend to pursue my graduate program in healthcare administration.
I would like to travel abroad to teach English and be productive, and then I would like to come back home and apply to a graduate program, probably in virology or infectious diseases.
To get hired in a Montgomery County public school, I really would love to start as a special educator.
I plan on going straight into a dual master's program, also with UMCP. I'll be doing an MBA in consulting and a Master of Science in Information Systems.
After graduation, I would like to sit for the CPA, and I will be joining Conresic full-time in the fall of 2014.
I hope to earn a Master's of Public Health with a focus in health policy, and a Juris Doctor with also a focus in healthcare law.
I plan to continue my career at the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children.
I want to become a critical care nurse who specialize in neurosurgical specialties and cardiovascular surgeries.
I would really like to go to Peace Corps for 2 years.
I intend to get a job through Montgomery County Public Schools.
I'm just started a position in the new student nurse residency program at Georgetown, and I'll be working in the medical ICU, and I've also been chosen as a clinical scholar there.
I would like to thank my parents. They've been a huge support from as far back as I can remember. They've always encouraged me to go after my dreams.
Mom, I want to thank you for motivating me, challenging me, pushing me, and supporting me to be able to achieve my goals.
I would love to thank everybody here at USG because it's just it feels like home here. I feel like I was able to complete or succeed in my program because of all the support I have.
I'd really like to thank my parents, especially my mother, for being a big support in my life.
I would like to thank my parents and all of my friends and the HRM program in general.
I want to thank my family, especially my mom and dad, because they have been the biggest support system and they've always been there for me.
And I'd like to thank my wife, Georgette Hughes, for being so supportive and encouraging.
I would like to thank my parents because they instilled me with the love for learning. They always taught me that hard work and perseverance is what matters.
I'd like to thank my parents. I want to tell them that they are amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for always helping me, always supporting me.
I really have to thank the military. If it wasn't for going through my 4 years there, I don't think I'd developed a level of responsibility as well as my goal-oriented focus. Beyond that, my family was a motivating force.
I want to tell thank you to my parents, especially my father. I miss him, but he has tremendously put his life ahead of his own self.
I want to thank my parents for always being there, and then I also want to thank my professor, Professor Bob Coleman. He's our digital media professor, and he's introduced me to the career field I want to join.
To my mom and my dad, they've sort of helped me through a lot of the things in ways that I don't think they'll ever really understand.
First and foremost, I would like to thank my sister for always supporting me.
First of all, be my mother. I mean, she supported me the entire time.
I'd like to thank my parents. They're everything to me, and I wouldn't be here without their love and support.
It would definitely be my mom and my sister. They've been the absolute best.
I would love to thank my mom and dad for just giving me the opportunities that they have and pushing me and having the faith in me to continue to strive and do well for myself.
So I would like to thank my family and my boyfriend for their full support and continuous encouragement throughout my academic years.
The first would be my girlfriend. Here at USG, it would be Dr. Nolan, the program director of the history program. Just been an invaluable resource.
First of all, I would like to thank my mother, who has been with me through thick and thin after everything, after just one day coming home and telling her I withdrew out of high school and her supporting me into the Gateway to College program and always believing that I could do it no matter what.
My family and my friends were extremely supportive during my time in nursing school.
I'd like to thank my family, my sister. She's been very supportive.
Just thank my mom. She's always been there for me. She's always been the main support, the rock that I've needed. And I love her. Thanks for being there.